Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Precious. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.
So, like I said, I got it from my grandma or whatever, and they had like a whole, but it was like a whole little set. So let's just open it. Like I said, I really don't know if y'all can see. I hope y'all can see. And it come with these little lamb type shoes, Bath and Body Works, and it came with this stuff. I did open it to take some I opened it to take what out?
But what's behind this mirror?
I opened it to take some
what's behind this mirror?
A wall. I opened it to take some.
It's definitely not a wall.
I opened it to take.
Jackie, look.
I see.
There's no gap between my fingers.
I opened this to take out some sleeping spray. The little spray you're supposed to spray on your bed. The little spray you're supposed to spray on your bed.
Jackie, if you do this and there's not a gap between your fingers, does that mean there's someone like behind this wall?
I heard that too, Bubba. So I took out the sleeping spray, but it also come with this stuff right here.
Jackie, what do you think? So is this
Oh
normal?
no. Is what normal?
This mirror.
I don't know, Bubba. The mirror is just a mirror. There's nothing behind it but a wall, okay?
Okay, I'll trust you. Thank you, you look beautiful.
Thank you, Bubba. Ton. You a handsome little guy yourself.
You know there's a little on your nose, right?
Mm-hmm. So it also came with this warm milk and honey sleep body lotion, cinnamon essentials, and then it came with this sleep soothing milk soap. But like I say, this is it's kind of, well, it's probably not kind of old, but probably very old because I got it from my grandma. So yeah, that's that. And so I'm opening it finally, so that I can finally get these slippers, because I just realized I don't got no hot slippers and the floor is cold. And yeah, so we finally gonna open these slippers, and they like some little lambs, and they say Bath and Body Works on the little tab right here, Bath and Body Works. So let me let y'all see like this. My little fella just be determined to be bad. My initial goal was to stand back here and do the little review. However, I probably gotta chop all it up because it's probably all over the place. But anyways, this is the little slipper. Let's go ahead and take them out because I'm ready to put them on. But they just look like this. Let me get out the way.
When it comes to me,
like I said, it's for something. Like I said, it's for something. So we're gonna throw some food in the air fryer. This is Better Good Wings, chicken wings with Louisiana style dry rub. I ain't been in the mood to cook lately, so well, I've been cooking, but if you can tell, I've been cooking how I cook. That's pretty much how I cook all the time. So we're gonna eat this. And then we're gonna eat this with some of these fries. And I forgot to buy some ranch. We got some barbecue sauce, so I guess we'll have some spice. I'm in the middle of the party with my gun in my hand. Don't have trust cause they choose to take their chancing. Hey, what you gonna do when it's time to feed your family? I'm talking about gambling. Back to the regular schedule program. This is what we're gonna eat. I'm gonna get ready to throw it in the air fryer like I said. And I ain't gonna lie, we was hungry, so I made us a sandwich real quick. Are we eating that? I feel it's scan by the way. By the dough. Cause it is still raining. It's been raining all day. That's why I say it was the best rain day of the season. Why would I let my baby go to school on the best rain day of the season? I don't play that. We value rainy days in this house. Cooking the wings. If some come up, I'll come back.
Finished, it was packed up by you all the Birkins. But what's next? I don't want no fucking love sex. All I want from you is sex. But your love is like a drug, yeah. I could never get enough.
that's just to put in the
should be
different
giving me
I
the
like it.
holiday till the
I
day
usually that's
is
why I put like that. I ain't gonna put.
Yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Big fat, real big fat. Why they mad? Cause I'm on fire and big set. Got a big bag. If and big get. Get back splat. I'm on this strong. What's that? What's that? Muscle sit pack. Strong. Shades Babagari. Whole out her body gone up.
We got extra stuff in there.
I'm coming like I'm
That's
caught.
why I like 10 more. But no, come on.
Bitches, I'm back in that mode and things. What's that? What's that? And this big fat. Here goes some more medication. Here goes some more with some guns that like the bitches like it's Vegas. Keep a killer, tough on
It's a bit alive. It's a bit alive. Have yourself a merry little Christmas night.
Oh, that's London. When that shit back. We got London.
And have yourself a merry little Christmas. It's a bit alive. It's a bit alive. Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Precious. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I miss, won't you listen? Brown sugar bag, I get high off your love, I don't know how to do it. When it comes to me, times again I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it all, and I'm around you scared to do. I'm not, long as you joking, now answer me. I ain't got it, my bitch skinning, looting, hide your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
Just know better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time. Thinking about the things